If you want to position yourself as an expert in your industry and become known in your field, then you should be on YouTube. In this video, I'm going to share some pretty convincing data with you as to why you need to include YouTube as part of your content marketing strategy. I read this crazy stat recently that says something like YouTube attracts over 2 billion people every single month. And that's around 1/3 of all of the people that are using the internet. That is just mind-blowing, and you can get in front of that traffic for free. Hey, it's Arit here with essetinomedia, and I know someone who's watching this video is going to still think that YouTube is for funny cat videos, millennials, and vloggers, daily vloggers, which leaves you wondering whether starting and growing a YouTube channel is even worth it. But this is a common misconception, and as you'll soon find out, YouTube is filled with working professionals, Fortune 500 executives, older adults, and they're very much active on YouTube. In fact, this might surprise you, but baby boomers, who are typically between the age range of 50 to 65-year-olds, and Gen Xers, who are between 36 to 49-year-olds, this is the fastest growing demographic on YouTube, so it's not just for teens or a younger crowd. In fact, Google recently reported that Gen Xers account for over 1.5 billion views every single day on YouTube. But essentially what this means is if you're a business looking to target, let's say 36-plus-year-old demographic or a business-minded demographic, and you want to position yourself as an expert in your industry, then YouTube is a powerful platform to build your audience or your community and establish influence and also grow your revenue. I know this because I live it. Over 80% of the leads that come to our business are from YouTube, the other percentage being referrals. Our YouTube channel produces over 5 figures every single month in service contracts, ad revenue, course sales, and despite how popular YouTube is from a consumer standpoint, I still feel like it's such an underestimated tool for business owners to get in front of people and market their brand and business. If you are a coach, a consultant, a nonfiction author, a speaker, you are likely someone who creates educational content as part of your marketing strategy. Why is that relevant? Well, YouTube is the second largest search engine after Google. And since Google owns YouTube, this partnership or connection makes it super easy for Google to send you traffic, because if someone's typing in a particular topic in the search engine, YouTube's videos come up and rank really well in Google. With over 3 billion searches every single month on YouTube, this is a massive opportunity for you to create content that delivers answers, that helps people solve a problem, that answers a question, and create relevant content that can be found. In fact, how-to or educational content is one of the top 4 content categories watched on YouTube after comedy and entertainment and music. So why not take that educational content that you're already creating, put it in the form of a video, and continuously release videos on YouTube so that people can find you, so that you can get in front of this search traffic. We use YouTube a lot for our marketing, and the thing is, it doesn't feel like marketing at all. When you're creating a video teaching on certain concepts, you're indirectly marketing yourself, your expertise, your brand, your business. You're not being invasive upon someone and selling your services because the person or the viewer that got there to the video actually typed that in and they want to hear from you. They're looking for an answer. So all we do is talk about topics that we know and love while being ourselves, and we continuously attract new viewers and customers into our business. And these are high quality clients, by the way. They're high quality clients that come into our business that are buyers, and they come back again and again for more services. They turn into repeat clients. And you might be thinking, well, yeah, but it takes a long time to create a video and release it on the channel. But I want you to know that creating a video and releasing it on YouTube is a high leverage activity, because when you regularly release videos on the channel, you're essentially creating this ongoing system. You're creating a marketing system without even knowing it, but it's a system that's attracting new viewers to your business, And it's a system for continuously building your authority and your credibility around your area of expertise. And it's a system, again, for attracting sales, because those leads eventually turn into buyers. They could be buyers of your course or of your book, or, you could even be attracting paid speaking opportunities from your videos or partnerships that you never otherwise would have had. And if one of your goals is to get more speaking opportunities, again, your videos act as a portfolio in a sense, because people who are booking speakers for upcoming events, they want to see what you're like on, when speaking. And so it's so easy for you to just send them a YouTube video link rather than trying to persuade or sell yourself in the form of an email. Coming back to this idea of video being a high leverage activity, video is really powerful because it's much easier to create and foster a deeper connection with your audience or potential, business partners, let's say, when they actually see you, they hear you, they get a feel for your personality in comparison to like a text post or an image post or even shorter video content. Like it's harder to create a good connection with someone with like really quick, fast-paced short videos than when you're comparing with longer form content, which does really well on YouTube. And when I say longer form, I'm saying on average like 15 minutes for the video. There's been some studies where that has done really well in terms of creating engagement on your channel if, and only if, what you're saying in the video is really helpful and it's good quality content and you're not wasting people's time, you're not fluffing around. Yes, I know we live in a digital world where it's so easy to hide behind our screens and stay in our comfort zones and not be on video, but at the end of the day, it's really gonna, the brands and the companies that aren't afraid to put themselves out there, they aren't afraid to show who they are, they aren't afraid to share their knowledge in the form of video, they're the ones who are going to succeed when it comes to marketing themselves online. Because, and I know this is simple and it might seem as common sense, but when you truly help someone in a video, you've essentially raised a level of trust in that viewer. And they respond by giving back in many different ways, right? That giving back might be coming back to watch another one of your videos or clicking on a link in the description that leads to your website, that leads to a course or a service that you offer. Or they leave a really great comment on your YouTube video, which you can then screenshot and, possibly use as a testimonial if it's a good fit, or put it on your speaking media kit. Like there's so many different ways that you can leverage this. Your consistent presence, consistently showing up on video week after week, speaking to topics that you are really great at, you're sharing your expertise, you're sharing great insights. This whole thing of you consistently showing up is what's building your authority, not just with the people who are watching your videos, but also with the YouTube algorithm. So you're essentially training the AI of the YouTube algorithm and people to associate you with this area of expertise. And this is how you use YouTube to become known in your field and for your area of expertise. And there have been many studies showing that brands who use video marketing in their business grow their revenue faster than brands who don't. Meaning, if you want to stay competitive this year and in the upcoming years, it's going to be a good idea for you to invest your time and your resources into starting or growing a YouTube channel. Speaking from personal experience, YouTube has allowed me to quit my 9-to-5 job to go full-time into my business that I have today. It's allowed us to significantly grow and scale our business online. And it's not just with small sales here and there, core sales here and there, but it's really these, these other opportunities that come from the channel, like speaking engagements, like bigger service contracts and partnerships that just lead to more visibility and more growth. And you can absolutely do the same thing. So YouTube is not just a place for funny videos, prank videos, millennials, all that kind of stuff. YouTube is really the ultimate platform, in my opinion, for positioning yourself as the go-to expert in your field, for building a community around your area of expertise and leading to these other opportunities we spoke about and growth in your business. And monetizing your business in other ways as well, with other revenue streams that don't require more of your time, like for example, ad revenue. And I have a few resources for you to get started. In the description below, I'm going to link to our course, The Profitable Channel, which teaches you how to turn viewers, how to create a YouTube channel that turns viewers into customers. I'll also link to a free YouTube training as well that you could watch. And if you already have a YouTube channel, but haven't been really doing much with it, or you know you can be doing more, I'll also link to a YouTube channel audit, which we also offer. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.